LGU based on LGEMS. Another round of applause for the province of Pangasinan being the champion for its award category. Would like also to call on the members of the Provincial Search Committee as well as Search Committee of the LGEMS joining the members of the Regional Search Committee. Another round of applause for the members of the Provincial and Regional Search Committees for LGEMS. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the state of the development of Region 1 as contained in the region address delivered to us by our RDC-1 Acting Chairman, Director 1B Nalo. Palakpakan po natin siya. Region 1's development may not have achieved impressive growth rate for 2012, but with the resiliency of the Ilocanos and the Pangasinense, and the strong cooperation of the government sector and non-government sectors of our society, the NGOs, the private sector, the business sector, the civic organizations, and all our citizens and constituents of Region 1, we are confident that we shall be able to accelerate a faster development of Region 1 and build Region 1 a more progressive to live in the years ahead. Before we request our RDC Acting Chair to join the meeting, may we acknowledge the arrival of Dr. Roberto S. de los Reyes, the co-chair of the Governance SECOM, and the PSR representative of the governance sector. And now, for the provincial category, the champion, we have the province of Pangasinan. The RTC Region 1 is giving a special award for the province of Another round of applause for the province of Pangasinan. The RTC1 also awards a special award for the province of Pangasinan as Region 1 champion for 3 consecutive years. That's from 2010 to 2012. Hall of Famer na po ang province of Pangasinan. 3 years being the champion for CY 2010-2012. We also would like to call on the following to receive their award certificates from the RTC as member of the Regional Stars for this award category. From the CSC, Marichu Quizon and Rainier Ripolio. The ILG, Karin Joy Gokulan. CHR, Don Carlo Peña. PIA, Esteleta Rafanan. Rango, Eduardo Damadri. And NEDA, Mary Jane Kakalindin. John. The search category is Cleanest, Safest, and Greenest LGU. 4th to 5th class municipality. Second runner-up, Balungaw, Pangasinan. Another round of applause for the municipality of Balungaw, Pangasinan. For our first runner-up, we have Cervantes Ilocosur. We have the province of Pangasinan. Another round of applause for our first runner-up, Pangasinan. And now, for the champion. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a champion. And this is the province of Pangasinan. Construction of Sabangan Bridge. And again, we'd like to announce to you that Pangasinan is a Hall of Fame awardee for this category of award. Another round of applause for the province of Pangasinan, a Hall of Fame awardee. We now move on to the next award search category. This is the most outstanding project monitors. The purpose is to recognize regional line agencies, state colleges and universities, and provincial LGUs which have displayed exemplary support to the objective is to recognize the initiatives, creative and innovative capacities, and outstanding accomplishments of regional line agencies and provincial LGUs in the implementation of MPG programs and projects. The presenters of this award are Director Juan B. Nalog and OIC Director Virginia B. Cantanilla of GBM and RPC one co-chair. For the LGU champion, we have the province of Pangasinan, another Hall of Fame awardee for this category. Another round of applause for the province of Pangasinan, a Hall of Fame awardee. For the Regional Line Agency or the Agency Champion, we have the Department of Education. Another round of applause for the Department of Education.